green in the trees, green leaves dancing in the breeze. I see orange big and round, orange pumpkins on the ground. What color do you see? I see purple in the flowers, pretty colors for many hours. I see pink hot, soft and sweet, pink balloons look so neat. What color do you see? What color do you see? What color do you see? I see black and I see white. Day is bright and night is dark. Colors, colors everywhere. Beautiful colors here and there. Clap your hands and sing with me. Colors are fun for you and me. Clap your hands and sing with me. What color do you see? What color do you see? What color do you see?
Did you enjoy the video? If you like English chants and fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Where do you like to learn English?
English Spotlight